Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how to upload the plugin to your WordPress site and license it. So, the first thing you want to do is log into the members area and find the page that the plugin is on. It will say Press Release Genie. Find the download button, download the plugin to your desktop or anywhere else you can find it. I like to put plugins that I'm about to upload on my desktop. It's convenient. So download it to your desktop. Now the next thing you want to do is as follows. Go here where it says plugins. Now notice I'm on my dashboard. When you log into your dashboard of your site, it's going to look exactly the same with the exception of the stuff out in the middle is probably going to be different. This is dependent on other stuff you have on the site. But on the left hand side it's pretty much the same. So you go here where it says plugins and you go to add new. Up here on the top left hand corner we want to click upload plugin. We're going to choose file and notice that's going to my desktop, and here is my plugin. Now please notice the plugin is still zipped up. When you downloaded it to your desktop it was in a zip file. Do not unzip it. It gets unzipped automatically. So we're going to choose that, install, activate, and you will notice once we activate it that it appeared here. Press Release Genie, and it appeared here. Now if you get a notification that you need to update the plugin, you can either update it now or later. That's all fine. By the way, if you need support you can click support there. Okay, if you need to log into your members area you can automatically go to the members area there. But what we want to do next is we want to license the plugin. Now when you bought Press Release Empire from us, including the software Press Release Genie, you would have received via email your email address and your license key to use with the licensing process. So go back to your email and find that. If for some reason you did not receive that, let us know in support. Do not email us. We will never see the email, but let us know in support, and we will resend it to you. But go find that email and the license key that was sent to you. Now in order to license the plugin so that you can use it, just hover over here and then click this link right there. Notice it says register PR Genie. And I've got a test email and license key obviously fuzzed out so that you can't read it, but I'm going to take that email, pop that baby in here. I'm going to take my license key, pop that in there, and click submit. Now you're ready to go. Continue to the software and you'll go to this page. You will actually see videos here instead of blanks. As a matter of fact, the video that I'm making right now will be right here. So that's how you install the software, and that is how you license the software. In the next video that you need to see, we're going to talk about how to use the software.